So let's get started. Today is short and sweet. Remember, I told you yesterday that you have a number sense quiz today, okay? So I'm going to show you where to access that quiz, and you are going to stay on Zoom until I have your quiz done, okay? So I will be using my laptop right here to check if your quizzes have been turned in, and when your quiz is turned in, I will say goodbye to you, okay? So you're going to stay on Zoom with me today to complete the quiz. And then when you're done, you'll let me know. I will check that I have it and I will say bye-bye, okay? I am also going to remind you that as part of your catch-up today, you have, after the quiz completion, you have time to work on any assignments that you need to complete, or any assignments that you need to redo or fix. You also have time to work on Prodigy and Zearn. Prodigy, I have only had 4 kids log in this week. I have 31 kids, so that's not too hot, okay? So you need to make sure that you are logging in to complete those assignments. I will be messaging your families if you are not able to get in for some reason to help you figure that out. But those are going to be graded practices. So you need to make sure that you are hopping on to Zearn and Prodigy when you are in your math time, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this quiz today. I'm going to share my screen to you. This quiz will be released to you on Seesaw shortly in your activities. And I gotta go to scheduled because it's not released to you yet. Haha. There we go. Look at all this work we get to do, guys. There it is. Number sense test. So this will take you to a Google Forms link, okay? Like always, you can read the directions, you can listen to the directions. This is a quiz, so the first direction is to take the test on your own. Do not ask for adult help, okay? I need to know what you know, not what your adult knows, right? It says click the link below and complete the assessment. When you are done, upload a screenshot of the submission completion page to Seesaw so that it shows it's done, okay? So when I click on this form link, it will bring me up to this. This is what your quiz looks like. Okay, it says number sense and multiple representations quiz. Here are your goals that we've been working on. I can represent numbers to 10,000 by using words, models, standard form, and expanded form. And I can show equivalent forms of whole numbers. Okay, you will see that it asks for your name, so you'll type your name. And then there are questions. I want to talk about these questions. This says choose all forms of the number, and there's a number there. That means there can be more than one answer. So you'll notice there's some word form and some expanded form. You're going to want to choose all of them that are true for that. So some questions have more than one answer, okay? You'll see some multiple choice that have a bubble, and you'll just click the correct answer. Again, some multiple choice with picture form showing you the number. You will also see here, look at this. Match the number forms on the left with the number on the right. So for this one right here, it could be this one or this one. I would click on the right representation. Down here, there's another number, and I would click on the right representation. So you're going to choose one in each row, okay? Look again, there's another choose all representations of this number. So there could be more than one answer here. You're going to have to count these and make sure that they are equivalent to this number. There could be more than one answer, okay? Also, down here, choose all representations of this number in the picture. So you're going to look at this picture, and down here, you're going to click on all of the ones that are the same as this picture. And then you're done, okay? I want you to really, really, really pay attention to where it says all. That means there's more than one answer. So you can choose more than one, okay? So the way I would do that is, let's say, and I'm just randomly going to say this one and this one. See that? I can choose more than one. If I choose an answer that I think is wrong, I click on it again and it goes away. So anything that has a check mark in it means that you are choosing that answer, okay? All right. So this is your quiz. It's very short, but it's going to take some thinking time, okay? Because there's a lot to count. There's a lot to add up when you are looking at picture forms and expanded forms. So take your time on this, okay? All right. So right now you are going to remain on mute. I am going to mute all of you permanently. There we go. And you are going to be taking this quiz that is unlocked to you on Seesaw now. When you are done with the quiz, I'd like for you to use your hand raise emoji, and then I will check on my laptop that I have your answers, and I will let you log off. Okay? All right, so right now go to Seesaw, click on that activities, and it is the number forms quiz. Take your time, really think through your answers.